Going on, everybody? Yeah, I'm doing this POV a little bit different. This is on a business perspective. It's basically like this. I've done a lot of good things, a lot of, called charity type things, but now it's a little bit on the business end. This year, I'm not trying to do anything for free. Um, if I'm recording something or if I'm taking pictures, I need to get paid. Because my time, my editing, my capture time, it should be worth a little something. So if you're asking me to record a game or a function or something like that, I need to be compensated somewhat, fairly, justly for my time and my effort, because I can't stand around and capture and record, for free. I'm not a little young photography student, videography student. I'm in my 50s, so my time should be worth something. So I appreciate anybody that wants to do a project with me, look on the compensation end or something like that, because remember, I'm putting a lot of time, a lot of effort, and then I gotta edit, upload, and send things all over to different people. I think I need to be compensated for my efforts or whatever. Basketball photography, fashion photography, event photography. Yeah, I need a little incentive to be out there doing it, because trust me, lenses are not cheap, cameras are not cheap, and my time should be compensated for what I'm doing to capture your moments. Smooth One Productions. You can hit me up at Instagram at DJ Smooth B. You can look at my YouTube, BARNEL. My Facebook is Barry Nelson, BARRYNELSON. I do have a little photography studio under construction. That's all I'm saying. I can't be out there sweating and recording and taking pictures and I'm not getting nothing out of it. I did enough time. I put in enough time. I think I should be compensated for my efforts. Thank you. This is the Smooth One, and I'm out.